The lonely millionaire cheapskate who never flushes the toilet. No one proves that being a cheapskate is a way of life more than Victoria from Columbus, Ohio. This woman is a self-made millionaire, but you definitely couldn't tell from this episode. Her home is beyond minimal, and she shows no effort whatsoever to even look like a decent home. She also makes absolutely no effort to dress or look the part. Throughout the episode, we wonder how long it'll be until her relationship with her boyfriend Steve crumbles, seeing as he has to live by her frugal rules. This includes never flushing the toilet. If that's not bad enough, we find out that Victoria uses jars, fills them with urine, and avoids flushing the toilet that way.